Here's to Aspen Party Week.
Here's to Aspen Party Week. For the girls to hang out, just in case there might be some interesting people to meet
Along the way.
Hi, I'm Rebeca Brand, and I'm reporting on my trip from Aspen, Colorado. I wanted a winter getaway. I felt the peaceful serenity on that plane as I looked out the window and saw those mountaintops covered with snow. It hasn't been a great year for a ton of snow, but that just made the peaks and valleys of those mountains more interesting as I could see the shadows of the darkness in between the crevices of the snow-piled mountaintops. I love the Aspen airport because it's so easy to land and it's so close to everything in town. It sure beats landing in Denver and having to take a 4-hour shuttle. And Ajax Mountain is such a skier's delight. The gondola station is at the base of the mountain, and the skiers come down from those slopes and get ready to go back in line to go to the top again. I've skied a whole lot at Ajax, but this time I didn't ski. In fact, the reason of my trip was to get together with a bunch of friends I see every single year in Aspen. It's known as spring break for the mature set. That would be me and all my friends. And as you ride to the gondola, they have this incredible jet line advertisement tent. I mean, you can just go in there and sit around and hang out in that tent and have booze. That's the uniqueness of Aspen. A whole lot of money goes there, and with it, a whole lot of high-end luxury brands. I happened to stay at the St. Regis Hotel, and that was gorgeous. As I walked through the lobbies, it just felt like an art gallery. I love landscape oil paintings, and they had so many in that lobby. What a collection of gorgeous snowscapes and landscapes, winterscapes, and the statues were fantastic. The moose with the moose covered in snow. The lobby is so high in luxury. I just say stop in there to check it out and have a drink. It's worth the trip. So my girlfriend put together the first annual Wild Chicks Wine Party. Hundreds of people gathered for a great lunch and to hear a super great band. And the band played John Denver's Rocky Mountain High. People danced, people drank, people ate, but most of all, people talked. They were happy to get together. The majority of this group gets together every year for the same 2 weeks in March. But one party leads to the next. The next party was the APRI wine party. I had to take a gondola to the top of the mountain. What a Cinderella ride to a party. The Aspen Gondola is available just to ride by itself, or to use it with a ski pass, or to take it to the top where they have a huge gathering place, restaurants. But today it was the APRI wine party. This is a party they put together to raise money for charity. And a lot of my girlfriends from Santa Barbara were there, and friends I had made from the years going to Aspen. The dancing was awesome with a great DJ. This party is put together with a lot of fun and frivolity. I mean, the older mature set, we still like to dance and even look at go-go girls as they rock the house. But one of the highlights of the Aspen Party Scene is this party called Sneak a Peek. It was named after one of the founders of the party scene that made a ton of money on Reebok sneakers. He had a lavish party for 2,000 people that he paid for from his profits. The Sneak a Peek was for all the people that arrived the day early before the party, so they would have a Sneak a Peek party to check out who was going to be there at the grand party. Well, the Sneak a Peek has evolved. It is a very sexy party, and this year's theme was leather and lace. So I got all decked out in my leather and lace. I mean, I really like theme parties. They played great music and we all danced, but the most fun was sneaking a peek at the sexy outfits. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how sexy they were. It was all clean fun. I mean, we just looked, nobody touched, well, at least that I saw. Cocktails go really well with sneak and peeks. This party had all ages attending. It's not just the over set. The way those parties worked was a bunch of people would get together and host the parties and fund the parties to ask all their friends. And because there's so many parties, there's a lot of horse trading going around with the tickets from one party to another. So if you're a host of a party, you might get 10 or 20 tickets to your own party that 10 hosts put together. But if you want to go to somebody else's party, you have to trade tickets to get in. It's a really interesting system. I've never seen anything like it in my life, but I was super happy to be able to be invited to those great parties. My trick to getting invited is just to be nice and maybe make them some food and bring it along, or buy some people some drinks. If you're watching, comment and tell me what places in the world have the best socializing that you know of. Maybe it's your hometown. Where should I go to next? I'm Rebeca Brand, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep going. Great places around the world. And check me out on Arthur von Wiesenberger's Around the World Travel Show. It's a TV show where we go all around the world, and we bring it to our viewers to inspire you to go with us, even if it's on your own couch. I'm Rebeca Brand. See you next time.